What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to quickly repair a hole in your lace products, whether that be a lace closure, a lace frontal, or a full lace wig. I know that women in general, we invest a lot of money in our lace products. So a way to be able to preserve your money and not have to continuously purchase new lace products is to repair holes that you may or may not get in your lace. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly repair holes. I've already gone ahead and repaired one hole here, another hole here, and so if you guys can see, there are 3 tiny holes here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair these 3 holes. All right, you guys, so here is a close-up of what this lace looks like. This is a lace product from one of my clients that I am going to be restoring. If in fact you do have a hole in your lace, it is fixable, so definitely don't throw out your units, ladies. Go ahead, get them repaired. Just invest in some invisible thread and repair these holes yourself, sis. Okay, so what you're going to need to repair the lace in your lace products is going to be invisible thread. Again, I will link this down in the description bar so that you can pick it up. You'll also need a curved needle and some scissors to cut the thread. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so what I did was go ahead and thread the needle, essentially just as if you were threading the needle for a sew-in. And I've already done 2 holes, which is why this thread is a little bit on the short side, but that is okay. One of the most important things that you want to know about repairing or fixing a lace is when you are trying to repair the lace, you want to make sure that there is no hair underneath it, because if there is hair anywhere underneath the lace and you go to repair the lace, you will get the hair entangled, and thus when it's time to make a part, it will not look natural. So you want to make sure there's no hair underneath the lace when it is time for you to go in and repair the holes. Another very, very important tip for repairing your lace is that you don't want to be too rough when you are repairing the lace with this thread, because one, you can rip the lace even more than it's already ripped, and 2, you can cause bunching, which again causes a more unnatural look on the lace. All right, y'all, so I know it's enough of me talking. Let's get straight into it. So the first hole I'm going to repair is this small hole right here, because I feel like these 2 are so close together that I may actually be able to get them together. We'll see once we start. So first things first, I'm going to make sure that there is no hair underneath here, blocking or in my way of any form. The next thing I'm going to do is take my thread. Like I said, it's already a pre-threaded needle, and then I'm just going to take it and go from one side of the hole to the other side of the hole, making sure that I'm very gentle, because lace is very, very delicate. So I want to make sure I'm gentle when I'm pulling the thread through. So now we have the thread on all the way through right there, as you guys can see. Boom, 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 boom. And now I'm going to bring it back across, grab another part of the hole, very, very close stitch together. Same thing, bringing it all the way through. When I bring it through, as you guys can see, the hole starts to get very small. Of course, I'm not pulling too tight, because again, I don't want any bunching on the lace. And I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do that all the way until the hole is closed. So, let's do it again. And let's do it again. I think I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure we are good on this end. Again, I'm not pulling too tight, making sure there's no hair underneath here to get caught into the lace, and boom, the hole is fixed. So now what I'm gonna do is just tie a knot into this thread to ensure that we are good to go. And cut it. And there you go. So we're gonna run it back. I'm gonna zoom in a little further so you can see what I'm doing with these two holes up here. I thought I was gonna do them individually, but I think I'm gonna do them together. Let's see what they look like. First things first, make sure there's no hair underneath it so that you're not tangling any hair into it. And because this hole is it's two little ones, but there's barely any lace in between. If you guys can see, there's barely any lace in between. So what I think I'm going to do is sew them together. All right, so starting from one side of the hole to the other side of the hole, I'm gonna go ahead and put that through there. Oh, I need to tie another hole in this thread. So that's another thing. When you're using this clear thread, because it's so thin, it's giving fish line. Because it's so thin, you have to tie multiple holes in it so that it actually stays. Because if not, it will slide right through. I'm gonna tie multiple holes in it. From one side of the hole to the other side of the hole. That's as far as we're going with that thread. Same thing, one side of the hole to the other side of the hole. Again, trying not to pull too taut for the simple fact you don't want the bunching to go on in the lace. Stitching this very close together, you guys. I'm stitching it close together because you want to give the illusion that the lace was never broken. So because you're stitching it so close together, it's giving the illusion that it's all lace and there was never a hole even there. Sure you don't get these threads tangled up. Yep. And as you guys can see, that hole is almost gone. There we have it. See that? Hold on here, here, here. All of the holes have been fixed. So now I'm just going to tie this in a knot. And we are done. Tie this in a knot, cut off the thread, and guess what? Your lace will be just like new. There we go. Quick and easy. All right, y'all. So that is the end of the video. I mean, I said it was gonna be quick. It really is that quick. It doesn't take much and doesn't take much investment. The thread is very, very cheap. Again, I will link it down in the bottom of the description bar. It's linked in my Amazon store for you to go ahead and pick up. I'm gonna zoom out so I can flip the wig inside out so that you guys can see what it actually looks like. When it's time to bust this unit out, you will not be able to see that. This unit has been over plucked, so what I am doing after this is going to go in and individually put the hairs back in here to create a more natural part. guys so much for watching. I really hope that this video was beneficial and can help you preserve and save on money and time on your units. If this is something that helped you, then definitely let me know that down in the comment section. If you decide to try this, then tag me in it on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever social media site you have. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.